Google has discontinued the Pixel 3a and 3a XL. Those their budget lineup, budget models, as you're aware. This is newsworthy only because we haven't seen any kind of successor to the A series, which is arguably the desirable series from Google right now. People looking for that budget model, looking for that value proposition. I played around with these two devices. Great cameras for the price, as you know. Some changes were set to be made in the 4A model, which, I mean, who knows what's going on with the 4A model. It was supposed to come out at Google I.O.
in May? June?
Holy moly. And then you saw billboards in April. And then
Yeah.
Google's like, I don't know, are we going to do it? What are we going to do? But in the meantime, this guy sells out, as you would expect. And so they discontinue it. They're not going to make any more, but on their official sales channels, it's over. It's gone. And you can only find them now on, the third-party sellers, the other retailers that may still have them in stock. So you have no budget Google availability for you now as a potential buyer until this 4A thing gets sorted out. The rumored 4A, just a quick reminder, set to be a 5.8-inch display, 2340 by 1080, mid-range Snapdragon 730. It'll have a 12.12 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera. This is all based on rumors, but so much information has leaked about the thing. And a more modern design, obviously, to meet with the current criteria. Price points have been rumored, but I think the world is ready for this 4A, and I think Google better get to it, especially in the absence of the 3A being available anymore.